Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is another unboxing from Studio Calico. Today they are releasing their holiday line and that line includes these stamp sets. They're so cute. I'm so excited. I'm going to show you the kit, but since the stamps are out, I'm going to start with that. And we have this one, which is so cute. It has little ornaments that star. I like this because these are sprinkles that you can use around. I don't know, you can stamp these stars and asterisk with gold and then on top stamp Holly Jolly in either red or black. Same with all of these little sayings. You can put these inside this frame. You can stamp the frame like in craft and then cut out this little window and put something in white or other colors. Love the little trees. Like a whole background with these would be so fun. And I love the messy lights. This is why I buy my trees with the lights on, because they always get tangled and yeah. And I like this little, I like the mix of fonts, December story, and there's gonna be so many of them. I'm gonna work on my December daily for 2022 right now, so this is gonna come very handy. Then we have these borders. They are adorable. I think my favorite one is this one at the bottom. It's just something that you can use even the whole year, and it's so magical. The houses are so cute. Everything is really pretty. Love. And again, you can stamp with these little borders and then use the other sayings on top of that and layer them. And then we have tickets, which I absolutely love. And we have trees that you can build and more ornaments. I love this because then you can do a mix. You can do the circle on red and then use the other part either black or gold. You can use embossing powder, which I have a few that I'm ready to use that I haven't used before. So this might help. I can do the ticket and then do the dots in that gold embossing powder, the little trees. And here we have the magic of the season. Holly Jolly celebrate. Dear Santa, it's Christmas time. Merry and bright. Holiday memories at mid-1. Holiday party, December 25th. Noel, peace, and then we have joy in this, the outline and the filler. These are so cute, and you can use them all together. I don't see why not. I know that these are a little bit bigger, but if you just stamp in the middle and then it kind of goes out the borders, that'll look cute too. Or the trees, you can put it like at the top and bottom to like frame it, but almost out of the frame. Really cute. And if you haven't seen my videos before, I just go through ideas. So I'm gonna forget about half of them, but maybe you are smart and you'll write them down and give them a try. If you do, you can tag me on Instagram. I'm Jenny with IE Garcia N. And this is the holiday kit for this year, and I'm very excited. I have the one from last year and the year before, so. Ooh, I love these. I always love, okay, I got like completely distracted. I didn't even process. Okay, there's nothing else in there. But I love these. They came similar ones in the February kit. And I have a few packs and I just love them. It's the kind of item that you almost want to hoard, but you totally shouldn't. You have your plain colors, the pinks. I use a lot of pink in my December daily. I'm gonna try to go a little closer. Okay. So we have these 3 shades of pink. think that if I put them in the white background, it'd be even better. Okay, there we go. And then we have green. Oh, we have 2 different kinds of greens. I like this because they're acetate, so you can layer them, and that will give them like a little different kind of tone. This is more coral. You can say that it's pink, but it's still works. Love it. We have red, of course. Oh, and here, this is what I love, the patterns. This messy scribble. Oh, yeah. And we got polka dots. We got this light blue. There's so many. I thought that there were going to be less, but once you break them down, you got stripes. There's a bunch of them. And again, depending on the color, make sure you remember your color wheel. If you do opposite colors like red and green, that's going to make like a brownish color, which if you don't mind, or if you use a lot of darker colors, that actually might work perfectly. But if you use analogous colors like pink and red, that's gonna look perfect. And I like that there's a variety of sizes too. Oh, I love this green. And they have a film that you can remove, that way they don't get scratched. We got white. And if you saw the October unboxing, I also unboxed the Halloween kit, and it has stars in black, clear, and white that you can also use for December. Oh, yellow. We got yellow. Oh, this one is my favorite. Mary. They're so cute. And I love this one too. This little asterisk pattern or star. Either way, they're really cute. There's a bunch of them. Let's put them to the side. Okay, let's move the stamps a little bit. And then we have here, okay, these are snowflakes, but are they fabric snowflakes? Ooh. Okay, this is really cool. It's like felt, but it's so thin that it looks paperish. Oh, and they feel so good, which is a weird thing to say. But they're like almost puffy, but not really. And we got a bunch of different sizes. We got a bunch of them. These would be cool in a shaker pocket. These are so going to a shaker pocket. So cute. Okay, gonna put those right there. We have a washi tape with little houses. This is so cute. Okay. Let me look for, here it is. These houses are so cute. You can stamp with the borders. One of the border stamps is a house. So let me do the idea right here. You can either do this little like a snow cover, but you can put this on top too. That's cute, and it has all the colors and Christmas trees and lights. I don't know if you're getting this. Oh, no, focus, camera, don't be evil like that. There you go. Okay. These are pretty thick too. It's not as stingy washi tape roll. And the quality is really good too. I can tell you, I have so much washi. And these are so pretty. And then all these items can work with the tickets too. If they fit here, they can also fit perfectly here. Like, oh, the card. That is so cute. They're really leaning into this layering theme, and I love it, because then we have a little book to Merry and bright, holly jolly, handle with care. And you know that I love a little star sprinkle, so I'm a huge fan of that. Love, love, love the little snowflake. You can put something in here, inspect it and approve. I'm pretty sure Charlotte is going to be a big fan of that. And we got the part of the tree that it's green. We got an ornament. This is so cute. Okay. And, ooh, we got 2 labels. Awesome. Okay, so, and this one has 2. This one has 1. This is the gold label. I think the color is called 24K. They're so pretty. I love it. And I love these label stickers that have a bunch of colors, and I have a few of these too. I have the red and the green of this ledger circle labels, because then there's the one that are just the circles, and I have a bunch of those too. But black is perfect. You can either stamp in there, let's see, you could stamp the little ornament. I think Holly Jolly could fit there. Yeah, Holly Jolly fits there. That's really cute. You get, and of course you can journal, and these were so cute. Oh, with an elf. That's so cute. This is so cute, and I can write very small. I have the 01. Let me see if I can find it. You know what? I'm not gonna look for the 01, but there's this one, Tombow Monojoin pen in 1 and 2, and I think they can both write there just fine. And then we have little stamps, which I love. We have the tags, and if you can want to dangle this, you just have to add twine and maybe put paper on the back. That way it doesn't get stuck, unless that's what you want. But if you want to like put them together to dangle like a little cluster, that would be cute too. Love this. May your holidays be sweet. Oh, this is so cute. And then we have that more 24 karat alphas. These are so pretty, and I like this font. It's very nice and clean. And we have the paper pack, so let's open that. Okay, so here is the paper. We have a few cut aparts, and on the back, oh, I like these ledger pages too. Really cute, and they would be really good for a wish list or writing the presents that you're going to give out. I love this. Christmas is a together sort of holiday. Aw, I love that. Should I back up a little bit? The tiniest bit. Okay. And then you got like a little calendar, making spirits bright. These, and you can stamp here. Well, I like this. Christmas Eve, morning, day, and night. Okay, so going, and then we have 2x2s that you can either put the whole thing in a page protector, or you can pick your favorites and, you know, either put photos here, and these that are just patterns, and then a number here and a little journaling, or you can cut them and put them in the page protector that is divided in 2x2s. Plaid, it's always a good option. And we got 2 4x6. I love this pattern. Oh, this is so cute, and you can do what Allie did last year, that every day she had something she did, and she would be like putting the Christmas tree up, baking cookies or whatever. It's a good option too. And I love all these colors. We have purple in this kit, which is very unusual for scrapbooking in general. Like, I wish we got more purple. I love this. This would be a cute intro page, or you can journal here. Typewriter, another ledger. Love those. Ooh, I love this. giving and receiving. Ho, ho, ho. These are the 3x8. Ooh, making a list. I love that because that could be a list of things that you want to do, a bucket list for December, or gifts that you want to buy for other people. Merry and bright, really cute. Ooh, I love these with the ornaments. I always have a layout dedicated for the new ornaments I got that precise year, or the ones that we make, because there's always one day where we make ornaments. Holiday prep, things to do this holiday season. We got food, gifts, music, candles, tree, decorate, gather, caroling, baking, cards, games, and movies. Oh, this is so pretty. I know that it's being weird and nerdy to like a ledger page a lot, but it's really cute. I love these hand-drawn doodly elements. Oh, this is really cute too. This would be cute for advent calendars. Last year my kids had a science one, and every day they had either an experiment or a crystal or something cool they could do. Holiday magic. Oh, this is perfect for either a photo that you can cut out either by hand or use a punch, or put a number, or journal. I love these. Naughty and nice. That you can put, instead of like roasting your kids, you can put things that went good and bad. I love this sprinkle card. Holiday traditions, Christmas Eve and Christmas morning. I'm sorry if you can hear that. Okay, we have more jewelry ornaments, more ledger. This is really pretty. Oh, I love this. It's like an Excel sheet. It could be cute or give you nightmares. That depends on your field of work. I love this. Doubly 2. I'm sorry if you can hear. It's raining outside. I don't know why they would be doing that. Photo, information, holiday memories. And this candy. Ooh, and love this for journaling. So that is the whole kit. The papers were super cute, and the stamps, and I love these little snowflakes, but I can't believe I'm going with the non-washi item and say that my favorite are the hearts. They are so cute. I like the washi tape too, but I'm just in love with the stars. That Mary was something else. So let me know what was your favorite item from the holiday kit, and what was your favorite stamp set. I think I'm gonna pick this one. I love them all, but I'm a sucker for a ticket, and I can't wait to like layer and add gold and use some embossing powder. So let me know what was your favorite stamp set and your item from the collection. I'm gonna have the links below. They're affiliate links. You don't have to use them, but they do help a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.